Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have something a little bit different. This is an Amazon mystery box, like an Amazon like return type mystery box. I got this from GRP Liquidators. I just figured this would be a nice little change up because I do sell some stuff on my eBay store. So this might, I got this to see if it would be some good items to sell on my eBay store. So I've never bought one of these before, so I'm super excited to try one of these and see what we get. I believe this was about $60 on their site. So all in all, I'm in at 60 bucks. Trinity, no. So all in all, I'm in about 60 bucks on this. So we'll see what goodies we got. And if you guys are wondering, the dogs that bark in the background, here you go. That's one of them. And this box is super heavy, guys. So I'm excited to see what we got in here. Oh, wow. Okay, there is a lot of stuff in here. We got Dimensions, Men and Women. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's a little like bracelet, necklace maybe. Happy anniversary. This is cute. And I don't really know how much this retails for. You can always, the nice thing is about these, you can always scan it with the Amazon app, the barcodes, and get pricing on these things. And it looks like we got some pimple patches, 2 of them. And then 2-piece leather key holders. So it looks like they're just little leather key holders. These would actually be kind of nice. I could probably put some vinyl or something on them, like HTV. And then we got some more pimple patches. And then, oh, large it says. Oh, it's a dress. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I'm not going to open this just because this thing will probably be super big. It's a large size and it seems like a really big dress. Super heavy. And then it looks like 60-piece wall decor party thing. So I'm assuming these are like just little. Oh, you put pictures in them. Okay, I see now. You put pictures in these. These are actually kind of nice. So it's just like a little banner. You string it up and then you can put pictures in these. Probably for like baby showers, weddings, things like that. So these are kind of nice. See, and that's the whole purpose why I got this box too. My husband was like, how are you going to open that on your channel? But I'm like, how do you know I won't get crafting stuff in there? And so far, 2 things already I saw that we can use to craft with, guys. And then, oh, we got some more of these little necklaces. Wonder, oh, I see another one. Let's open them and see if they're all the same. Yep, that one's black. So I'm assuming these are probably all the same little necklace set. There's actually quite a few of these in here. Yep, these are all the same, I think. So, yeah, these are all the same barcode. So this one, we got this one. I think I see another one down here. So there's quite a few of these. And then I see a sweatshirt. Oh, this is a straight Cricut craft right here. I've made plenty of these. It says in my mama era. And it's a large. Yep, and it's vinyl. that's kind of cute. And it is my size, so it might be a keeper. And it looks like we got some more of these dresses. This one's a large also. This one's a large. I'm assuming, let's just open one of these. I'm curious. Let's just do it. I'm definitely curious about what kind of dress this is. Probably not gonna be able to fit it back in the package, but let's just see. Oh, it's a little sundress. Oh, so it's like a little maxi dress, and it's got pockets too. This is kind of nice. It's like a maxi dress, and it's very heavy. I don't know. I mean, on a hot day, probably not so much, but yeah, this is super cute. It's a nice little maxi dress. So far I think we got a count of 3 of these dresses. And then we got some more, oh, we got different colors in this one. So we got some more of the little, what did they call these? Wall decor, but it's basically you hang these up along on the little clips and put pictures or stuff inside of that. And then, okay, we got a mystery bag. Let's see. When I tell you guys, this box is pretty full. We got some socks. And I'm not really sure. Looks like they got some paint splatter on them. Okay, these are interesting. Some little socks. Those I'll probably just give to my son, my daughter. Someone will want them. And what are all of these? Looks like we got a bunch of decals. There's a little cat with butterflies. My daughter might like these. She's a crazy cat lady. And Zambini. And then another cat. Another one of these. So these are like just little car decals. Some more pimple patches. And it looks like we got a lot of floss. We got 4 things of floss. So plenty of floss to keep our teeth clean. Some more pimple patches. And oh, here's something my husband might like. Heavy duty inch metric, combination square with level. This is kind of cool. That's interesting. Did not expect to see something like this. And then it looks like we have another mystery bag. Let's see what's in here. Oh, ShamWow. Oh my goodness. I didn't even know they still made ShamWow. Oh, wow. Okay. I guess there's still a market for ShamWows. That's like, takes you back. And then, looks like we got some more of these bracelets. I think either bracelets or necklaces. I'm not quite sure still. Yep, same thing. We have gotten quite a few of these. Yep, these are all the same. And then We got another mystery bag. And they feel like some more of the socks. So we got exact same pair of socks like we got on the other ones, which I'm assuming that's probably what these are going to be too. But we'll take a little look-see and see. Yep, same thing. Just seeing, maybe, you know, might get lucky. Different color, different design. You never know. Yep, same thing, guys. More socks. And it looks like we got some more card decals. They looks like they're going to be all the same. Yep, they're all the same. And then, oh, we got some more floss. Same floss. And then got some more of the little leather key holders. And what's this? Ah, we got some MAC makeup. That's a good score. Some of this MAC makeup can be worth some money, guys. I think this is eyeshadow. Yeah, I believe that might be eyeshadow, or, oh, it's a finisher maybe. But that's a good one. MAC makeup is usually pretty expensive, depending on what you're getting. And then it looks like we got a whole big party pack, Halloween party pack. We got some slap bracelets, some vampire teeth. Looks like to make like little goodie bags, because here's like the little mesh bags. These are kind of nice. And then, oh, iPhone 15 Pro case. That's nice. Not sure. I have a 15 Pro, but not sure if that'll fit. It looks kind of small to me for some reason. And then we got some more pimple patches. And then I'm not sure what's in this box. Got screws. And it sounds like metal swinging around. Some type of bracket. Oh, it looks like a lock. Oh, you swing it over. Okay, I see. So you like swing it over, it's a lock. Ah, okay, so they probably go side by side. And it swings over and locks. That's actually pretty cool. That's actually kind of nice. We might actually be able to find a use for this. And then, oh my goodness. We got screen protectors. A lot of them. Looks like these might be like cut to fit screen protectors. They're pretty big. Or they're for laptops, one of the two. So, wow, there's a lot of them. And then, what else? Oh, we got some little little cake toppers. Looks like for our first communion. And then, oh, this one looks like a happy, oh, that one's kind of cute with the donuts. Happy birthday. I think bar mitzvah. I think it's, is that what that says? I think it says bar mitzvah, right? I think so. We got another first communion. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of these. First communion. We got some more happy birthday ones. Skateboarding ones. And some volleyball. Okay, those are all volleyball. And we got some more first communion. Oh, we got another one. Happy birthday. Looks like a little Mardi Gras happy birthday. And then we got looks like a beachy happy birthday. Oh my gosh, there are so many of these. They're like non-stop, guys. So yeah, plenty of cake toppers. And it looks like we got some more of the little leather keychains. And there is some more. Plus, might end up just selling these in a whole big lot on eBay. And then I think I got some more socks. These definitely feel like socks. Yes, we got more socks. And then what do we have? Oh, this is kind of, okay, 7 rules of life. 1, let it go. Never run a good day by thinking a bad yesterday. 2, ignore them. Don't listen to the other people. Live a life that's empowering to you. Number 3, give it time. Time heals everything. What's the other one? I'm not sure. They got the sticker over it. Okay, we're taking it out. We must read it. Okay, number 4. Don't compare. The only person you should try to beat is the person you were yesterday. 5, stay calm. It's okay not to have everything figured out. Know that in time you'll get there. Number 6, it's on you. Only you are in charge of your happiness. And number 7, smile. Life is short. Enjoy it while you have it. Very true. So, some words of wisdom, guys, for the day. And then looks like we got some more of those little bracelets, necklaces, not sure. Another kitty cat with butterflies. And last but not least, we have a bag of coffee. Full roasted beans. And it's got a small hole in it. But all in all, I'd say for 60 bucks, this box seems okay. I mean, these are mystery boxes, guys, so you never know what you're going to get in them. I've seen some people get, like, Nintendo Switches, PS5s. It's all the name of the game. You just never know. But, I mean, will I try another one of these? I think so. I'll probably get another one, and we'll open it up and see what we get. I don't know if I'll order from the same person. I might try and get a box from a different person and just kind of see what we get from different people. But yeah, guys, most of this stuff will probably be up on my eBay store. So if you want, you can feel free. It's Deals for Less, LLC. So you guys can feel free to go on to my eBay store if you see anything. Probably give me about a week, and some of the stuff will be posted if you saw anything in here that you liked. All right, guys. But as always, I appreciate every single one of you. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye, guys.